guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the last May box of 2020, which is the Goodiebox. Okay, the lid is open, and inside we have two cards. The Boost box. Oh, this box smells very, very good. Taking care of yourself is not a nice to have, it's a must have. Oh God, no, not again. Damn it, I'm not really sure why they put in the digital leaflet. I hate that, because I can't be bothered with having my laptop or phone or whatever here with me and searching all of these damn products. I just want a freaking booklet that I can like touch and feel. This is from Parfumato. I'm just gonna assume something of this is in here. Let me just open up the box itself first. Okay, and now let's see if there's something. Oh, okay. Is there something in here from this brand? No, I don't see it. So what the hell is this? Try Parfumato and pay $7.50 for your first month. Oh, so I'm assuming this is going to be like a subscription. I'm not interested in that. Let's move on to the product. Okay, so first up is something, what is this? Organic body scrub from Hugens. Am I pronouncing that right? Hugens? I'm not really sure how to pronounce this brand. But this is what that sucker looks like, and it's a body scrub, so that's pretty cool. Does it? Oh, wow, yeah. Ooh, does not smell good, though. But again, it's a scrub. After that, you're going to use a body something, whatever you have in the shower, like a shower gel or a mousse or an oil or whatever. So far, so good. Like I said, I don't have the booklet, so I have no idea about the prices. I'm just going to assume this is 100 milliliters, so I'm going to assume this is a full size. Pretty cool. Let's move on to something else from Marie Stella Maris. Oh, hand and body lotion, number 92 Objects d'Amsterdam. Okay. Care for you, care for water. This item supports clean water projects worldwide. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. Okay, so this is what that cream looks like. And oh my goodness, I'm dropping it. Let's put on some cream because I actually don't have cream on right now. I'm not going to put in too much because I don't want to have too like fatty of hands for the other items. Oh, whoa, this soaks into your skin really, really fast. Wow, my hands are completely dry already. It smells so good, like, wow. So floral. Oh, I love it. It is a strong scent, though, I will say that. So if you can't handle strong scents, and maybe this is not for you, but I really enjoy this. Okay, moving on to Narray 305 Radiant Blush Brush. There we go. Oh, very, very nice. I like it. I actually have a Narray brush that I'm using right now for, it wasn't specifically a blush brush, but I'm gonna use it for blush. I use that for my orange tone blushes, like the one I'm wearing today. I really enjoy this. Wow. Okay, this is what the brush looks like. I don't know if it's weird to y'all, but I like using one brush for like pink blushes and another brush for like corally tone or brown blushes, because I feel one is warm, one is cold toned. Pink is cold, clearly, and you know, the apricot, coral, whatever tones are warm, and I don't like mixing them because I get like this weird gray kind of a thing on my cheeks, so I like to use multiple brushes. So this comes in very, very handy. Okay, moving on to something from Bella Pierre. This is a mineral blush in Amaretto. I think it's sealed from the inside, and it's a loose blush, something I'm really careful with. This is what it looks like, and honestly, I think I'm gonna pass this particular blush to one of you because I have so much blushes at this point that I need to finish them all up and I just can't. So I'm going to pass this fella to you. Like I said, I have no idea what the worth is. Maybe I should look it up. Hopefully you guys saw that there's a sticker in here. Clearly, I'm not going to get rid of the sticker because it's sealed and y'all need to get clean stuff. So I will be passing this along to one of you guys. Speaking about giveaways, make sure to check out my giveaway that I'm holding right now. We are so few subscribers away to reach 600 subscribers. As soon as I reach 600 subscribers, I'm giving away a satchel filled with makeup, and there's even more that I put in. Like, the satchel is bursting open, guys. I want to get rid of it. So, yeah, like I said, make sure to check out my giveaway, and soon after that, I'm going to give away a bigger giveaway. I have a box completely filled with makeup, and trust me, more is on its way in that box. And there's another really expensive special item that is in there. So yeah, y'all want to check out my giveaways and be subscribed to me, because I will always do giveaways. I feel like that's the best way to give back to you guys. So make sure to check out that video. Moving on, we have 2 more items, and then the box is empty. One is a pink scrunchie, which again, I'm going to give away to one of you guys. This baby doll pink kind of a color is something I do not use, at least not on my hair. On my hair, I just like to prefer like a black, simple scrunchie. That's it. So I think this was an extra item in the box, and I'm going to give it in a certain giveaway to you guys. And now the last item is Pixie by Petra. Pixie, I love Pixie, so I'm really glad with this. This is the Shea Butter Lip Balm in Natural Rose, and I will be getting out of it, wow, that was a really rough sentence, but I will get it out of the foil is what I wanted to say, if I can. So y'all are gonna have to give me a minute to get this out. Oh, actually, maybe you don't, because I already ripped it apart. Oh my God, I hate stuff like that because I have these really long nails, and I don't know if y'all know, but gel nails are quite thick. They need to be, because if they're thin, they could break. But the problem is I can't really get stuff out of foil or something. It's really annoying. You know what, guys? Give me a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Finally, I got it out of the foil. This is what that sucker looks like. It is so freaking gorgeous. I love Pixie packaging. This is, oh, it's actually tinted. This is awesome. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Oh, it smells really nice too. Okay, so let's swatch it. Wow, that is not even a lip balm. Like, that's a full-on lipstick in my opinion. So these kind of balmy products I love, which is weird because this is like the 3rd lip balm we received this month in the boxes. We got one in the Look Fantastic, in the Style Tone, and in this particular one. But I will say this one is, like I said, a full color lipstick. I love it. And the one in the Look Fantastic box is tinted as well, which I really do prefer because that's pretty much the only way I will wear a lip balm when it's tinted, like a lipstick, because I always wear lipstick or gloss. So I'm really happy with this. Wow, this is awesome. It says over here Natural Rose that it's pink, but it's actually quite brown of a color. So this will be perfect in fall when the wind sets in and my lips are starting to get chapped again. Okay guys, and that was it for the last box of May. What do I think? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items plus a scrunchie. 4 out of those items I will be using, and 1 I'm going to give away, which is the blush because I just have so much already, and the scrunchie I'll be giving away to one of you guys. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Leave me in the comment section down below your opinion on this box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!